obviously we have been here for a couple of days, so it really does have like that lived-in look. All of the basics, new stuff, filtered water, everything is just really great. The bathroom is down here. Okay, so we have normal toilet, this really nice basin sink where we got toothpaste everywhere. And then a really nice big shower that has the normal shower head, and then it also has this rain one, which the rain one is pretty cool, but didn't really use it as much. I think it's more aesthetically pleasing to look at than it is actually functional, in my opinion. Pretty much every room has one of these. So managing the temperature in this house is actually really, really easy. It's been pretty chilly at night and rainy, but we haven't had any issues with being too cold or too hot. I think it might be the other one. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this is really pretty. Didn't see that. I really like just the whole aesthetic of this place. It just is such a beautiful place. Very rustic and everything, but this bedroom is, you know, storage for all of your stuff if you're staying here for a long time, and you have direct access to porch. Okay, so that's really nice. Okay. So when you come back out, we're gonna go into this living room area, and it does have an electric fireplace that does produce heat, so that's really nice, a really nice touch. And then we have the TV and shelf and just little things that really make this place. This is the downstairs area. Whew, that is putting off a lot of heat, so it's hot. So let's go upstairs. So we've actually spent a lot of time up here. This bed is so comfortable. The linens are comfortable. The pillows are perfect. I mean, I kind of want to take this whole thing home with us, but we cannot. So again, we also have another AC heating unit thing that works really great. And then we found this fan downstairs in the closet. Now, I also think that this is a futon. I don't really know how it works, but I think this is a futon. So there's ample space for people to sleep. A nice working space or an area to get ready at. Yeah, is there anything that you would like to add?
Nope. I think that's it.
That's it. So one thing that I absolutely do love is this porch. I am very obsessed with wraparound porches. Now, this is not a full wraparound porch, but it's decent wraparound, kind of like a half around, I guess you could put it. I don't know. Think that this was once something for a bee. I'm not sure, but they've turned it into a cooler, so that's pretty cool. Tons of space out here to sit. Another area that could be filled with ice for a cooler. I mean, just so much to do out here. And one thing that I really do like about porches like this is that it doesn't really matter what the weather is like. You can always enjoy outside. Nice, open, under the sun. Well, if the sun was out, I should say. We have not built a fire because it's kind of been a little rainy, but maybe we'll do that tonight. Who knows? So let's come take a look over here. So we have bee crossing, which is pretty neat. I'm thinking these are homes to bees over here, but I'm not entirely sure. This little hole over here, so that's pretty cool. So there's one, and it's just gonna go right into there. That's pretty cool. And they live in there. And what's also pretty cool is that even though there's like this bee community out here, we have not seen one bee around this place. So I think that's pretty cool. There is a whole water pond out here, and we haven't even made it out. We haven't even looked at it yet, so I'm pretty excited to go and check it out. Okay, so this is a really cool like pond area. It looks like it was probably a man-made pond, or yeah, Okay, so it's clearly a man-made pond. The cameraman is not nodding at me. But it has this really cool water fountain and a feeding area and a little feeder. We have these fake ducks, which I'm not gonna lie, I thought were real ducks. And then some nice little just statues of longhorns. We actually have like quite a few, like what, 2?
Yeah.
Maybe there's another one somewhere, I can't remember. Maybe there's just 2. But yeah, I mean, all of this we get to explore and have as our own. Owner came by, very nice and helpful, not overly intrusive, but you know, still personable. So that's just been really nice. So I guess you're gonna watch me fall. Or is this a walkway? This might be like a walkway, babe. Or I just made it up. Okay. And this actually is a pretty good view of the outside.